Is KTM preparing a big surprise in the mid-size adventure class? Some exclusive spy shots that have recently surfaced show a mysterious motorcycle that is strongly believed to be the KTM 490 Adventure, and this could be the successor to the 390 Adventure, which was officially launched earlier this year. This news is quite surprising, as KTM's current adventure lineup is already very crowded. In the lower class, there are 390 Adventure X models, daily touring bikes with moderate off-road capabilities. Slightly more rugged is the 390 Adventure R with a 21-inch front wheel, suitable for dirt track enthusiasts. Moving up a class, KTM has the 790 Adventure and the most extreme, the 890 Adventure R, known as a tough weapon on difficult off-road terrain. With so many options, it's natural to ask, why does KTM need to add another model? At first glance, the motorcycle in this spy shot does indeed resemble the KTM 790 Adventure. But upon closer inspection, there were a few inconsistencies. The front brake only used one disc. Yet, motorcycles in the 790 cubic centimeters and above class usually require two discs to handle the engine power and significant weight. Although it uses a parallel twin-cylinder configuration, its dimensions are smaller, both in terms of the crankcase, barrel, and exhaust diameter. Much more suitable for motorcycles under 500 cubic centimeters. There is no typical droopy ear tank on the KTM 790/890. The side-hanging tank design is a signature feature, and the absence of this feature further strengthens the argument that this is not a 790. Seeing all those signs, it's highly likely this bike is the successor to the KTM 390 Adventure, which is rumored to be upgraded to the 490 Adventure. This step also makes sense when considering market competition, especially with the rumored upcoming BMW F450 GS. Moreover, KTM has been collaborating with CFMoto on production for a long time. CFMoto itself just launched the 450 MT, a light to mid-weight adventure bike with high value. The engines aren't identical, but the engine dimensions in the KTM spy shot are very similar to the unit used in the 450 MT. KTM has a habit of introducing its latest models at EICMA Milan. Last year, that's where they showcased the new 390 Adventure. It's not impossible that, just a year later, we'll see the 490 Adventure debut on the same stage at EICMA 2025. If true, then 2025 could be a hot year for the mid-range adventure motorcycle market, with fierce competition between KTM, BMW, and CFMoto.